End oil now! Wait, ho, ho! Big oil has got to go!
What do we need? Clean, clean energy!
Community members and activist groups joined forces Sunday to protest big oil and support clean energy. The event was organized by Stand in the Sand, formed after the Gulf oil spill in 2010.
Our focus is not political. Our focus is not anti-anything. It's pro-clean energy, and it's really about community building to find positive solutions.
Demonstrators filled De La Guerra Plaza, then marched down State Street to West Beach. End Oil Now ralliers briefly blocked Carrillo Street on their way to the beach. This group had a stronger message for oil companies.
As a community, we're no longer going to tolerate and accept big oil in our backyard and on our coast. It's time to end oil now.
On the sand, demonstrators formed a human boom and then a circle of unity. Carpinteria resident Ray Emmett says oil companies need to be held accountable.
We've been battling them and will continue, and just hope that the power of the people can finally take over. It's just been ridiculous that they've been getting away with this.
Jean-Michel Cousteau says the future is clean energy.
If Santa Barbara cannot do it, I don't know who can do it. We have the resources, we have the energy, we have the understanding, we have the education. So let's do it, and let's show the rest of this country particularly that we can change, and we are changing.
And I talked to police today who said despite the few protesters who blocked off some of the streets, the protest went off without a hitch and there were no arrests. Live in Santa Barbara, Elise Martinez, News Channel 3.